Are you looking for a BIM company in Vizag? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This innovative and dynamic company is at the forefront of architectural design and building information modeling. With their expertise and cutting-edge technology, they are revolutionizing the way construction projects are planned, designed, and executed. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Vizag, offering a wide range of services to clients in various industries. Their team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to providing top-notch solutions that meet the unique needs of each project. Whether you are a developer, architect, or contractor, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise and experience to deliver exceptional results. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other BIM companies in Vizag is their commitment to innovation and excellence. They leverage the latest technologies and software to create 3D models that accurately represent the construction process. This enables clients to visualize their projects before they are built, saving time and money. With their advanced clash detection capabilities, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that any potential conflicts or errors are identified and resolved early on, minimizing costly rework. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers comprehensive BIM coordination services, ensuring seamless collaboration between all stakeholders involved in the project. From architects and engineers to contractors and subcontractors, their team works closely with each party to ensure that the project runs smoothly from start to finish. They use state-of-the-art tools and techniques to streamline communication and facilitate efficient decision-making, resulting in faster project delivery and improved overall quality. I am absolutely thrilled to introduce you to Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, the leading BIM company in Vizag. With their exceptional expertise and cutting-edge technology, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has revolutionized the world of building information modeling, BIM, and has become the go-to choice for all construction projects in Vizag and beyond. Their commitment to excellence and innovation is truly commendable, making them a trusted partner for architects, engineers, and construction professionals alike. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has firmly established itself as a pioneer in the field of BIM services. Their team of highly skilled professionals possesses a deep understanding of the intricacies involved in the construction industry. With their extensive knowledge and experience, they are able to provide comprehensive BIM solutions that streamline the entire construction process, from design to execution. Their attention to detail and commitment to precision ensures that every project they undertake is executed flawlessly, resulting in high-quality structures that exceed expectations. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other BIM companies is their unwavering focus on customer satisfaction. They prioritize client needs and work closely with them to understand their